How do you measure customer satisfaction? As expert suppliers of innovative equipment for your inline process monitoring, laboratory analysis, quality or environmental measurements, Elscolab has the answer. For over 30 years already, we focus on building long-term relationships with our customers with great success. In the Benelux, we've grown into a leading supplier with an extensive knowledge in the field of analyzers and measuring instruments, and high-end laboratory equipment and consumables. Customers in all kinds of sectors count on us to keep their measuring tools, processes and applications running. Our 5 divisions therefore offer a highly diverse and varied package of solutions and services for measurements, analysis, quality checks and monitoring of our environment. All 100% reliable and aiming for the right result. Instrumentation for monitoring industrial processes, for environmental water monitoring, laboratory measurements or to register the correct colour and look of an object, Elscolab has it all. Moreover, a fast and flexible service is always included. In short, for every challenge we find the right solution made to measure. Because we keep track on what happens around us, we're fully up to date with the latest technologies and can support our clients in the best possible way. We're their innovative partner, creating solutions with sustainable value that keep their applications going at all times. And how do we measure customer satisfaction? Well, easy, by the size of their smile after another job well done. Visit our website at www.elscolab.com.